makeup and sorry for my voice. In today's video I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. If you follow me for a while, you know I like to eat a yogurt for breakfast and I like to make a yogurt bowl. So this is my bowl, this is my coffee, and yeah, let's make this yogurt bowl. Hi everyone, so it's lunchtime and today I'm preparing a pie called also rustico with this, that's vegan, and we have leftover vegan pesto, so I'll do the filling with that. Yeah, and this will be my lunch. Yeah, I also need to prepare a pie that's not vegan for my family because they'll be eating one with tomato sauce and mozzarella, but yeah, I'll show you how I'll make the vegan one, so maybe you can have it as inspiration with things maybe you already have in your fridge, because we already have this. We have to use them up, especially the pesto. So yeah, let's go. Thing first, I'm opening this. I have a pan. I'm opening this up. You can also add vegan cheese that I don't have, but I have to go and get it. Alright. Wait a second. And that's the first shape you can do. This is the other shape you can do. So 108 degrees for 20 minutes. Probably a little bit of salad, but if you know how to cook tofu, you essentially need to first press it to get all the water away, and then you can do scrambled tofu, easy soft. You can do like chicken nuggets, like kind of shaky, this is firm tofu. But yeah, this is also good for source of protein. And I'll see you when it's done cooking. So usually I like to put a lot of spices in my tofu, and the one I use are paprika, curry, turmeric, even though there's nothing left. And then oregano, if I can find it. Yes, here it is, oregano. And yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Well, actually good afternoon. Today is Sunday and I haven't filmed much, but we have had like big lunch, at least for me. We had a lot of vegetables, roasted vegetables like potatoes, pumpkin, sweet potatoes and eggplants, and then we had homemade pasta that my mom made the day before. She likes to make homemade pasta, and yeah, we had that with leftover pesto, I think, vegan pesto of course. And yeah, and I wanted to pop on here, say how I'm feeling. how it's been, how I've been doing it during these days, and I've realized that I need to eat more because I feel hungry a lot during the afternoon. Actually, my mom just made vegan snacks. She made cookies and muffins. Yeah, she's been pretty supportive so far. Yeah, and I've realized that if she doesn't make these snacks, I don't have anything vegan, like sweet things. I like to eat sweet things, and for this reason I've been eating more fruits and like nuts to snack. And yeah, and today I've actually taken a moment to journal during the days to write how I'm feeling, what I should improve, and if you're doing veganuary, I suggest you do this too. So this was my Sunday, and now I'm gonna insert a couple of clips of me cooking, of me and my mom cooking. If you're enjoying this video so far, please leave a like. Now let's get going. So I made pasta with pesto, 100% vegan, without cheese. Yes! For breakfast, I'm gonna having this vegan muffin my mom made yesterday. They're made with berries, and yeah, so I'm gonna be having that this morning. So hi guys, we're having lunch, and for today we are doing pasta with rape, that I don't know how to say in English, so I'm gonna put it on the screen. But yeah, we have a farmer near us that gives us. Well, it's actually like across the house, so yeah, we eating that. Here it is. So we're also gonna have like kinda homemade pasta. It's fresh pasta and it's orecchietta that are really good. And I think let's get cooking.
Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be.
For today, a burrito, I think, and with seitan. Yeah, and we have leftover greens, so I'm gonna be eating that, and maybe I'll put some salad in the burrito and some tomatoes, cherry. But yeah, let's get cooking. I'm gonna be cooking it on a pan for 5 minutes. It's really easy to cook and a really good source of protein. So if you're doing veganuary and you need a really good source of protein, definitely try seitan. It's really good on its own, and it has a really good texture. I think really similar to meat. I would advise to cook it on a low, temperature. And yeah, and I'm gonna be putting this into the microwave, so it's up, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you're doing veganuary too, and if you want more veganuary content or see how I approach this month. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.